Om Swastiastu. Thank you for the opportunity. Today, I want to tell about limit of the trigonometric function. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Nikada Indrayani. You can call me Indrayani or Dein. I'm from 4D, and my last digit number is 090. The first one is I want to tell about similar to the trigonometric limit. The limit of the trigonometric function is the closest value of an angle in a trigonometric function. In the calculation, there are two theorems that form the basis of the limit of trigonometric function. As follows, the first one is theorem 1. We know on slide. The theorem 1 holds if the limit x approaches to 0. And then we know that the first is limit sine x equals 0 of x approaches 0. The second is limit cos x equals 0. Equal 1 of x approaches 0. And the third is limit sine x divided by x equal 1 of x approaches 0. And the fourth, we know that limit tangent x divided by x equal 1 of x approaches to 0. And the 5, we know that limit sine x minus a divided by x minus a equal 1 of x. The next is, on the slide, we know that theorem 2 holds if the limit x approaches c when all of c element real number. The first, we know that limit sine x equal sine c of x approaches c. And then limit cos x equal cos c of x approaches c. And then limit tangent x equal tangent c of x approaches c. Next, limit secant x equals secant c of x approaches c. And then we know that limit cosecant x equal cosecant c of x approaches c. And the last but not least, limit cotangent x equal cotangent c of x approaches c. And the next, I will give two examples. The first is if limit sine 2x divided by 5x of x approaches 0, and then we can change in this like okay, next, limit the way. Let's try this problem. What is the limit as x the approaches 0 of sine 2x divided by 5x? What do you think the answer to this problem is going to be? It turns out that it's just 2 divided by 5. You can literally see it, and we'll show our work. So what we need to do is multiply the top of the bottom by 2 over 2. What I'm gonna do is switch the 2 and the 5, so we can rewrite it is the limit as x approaches 0 sine 2x divided by 2x times 2 over 5. So I just switch the places of these two numbers, 5 times 2 and 2 times 5. They were equal 10, so the value is still the same now. It is once these two values are the same, you can use substitution. So we're going to let y equal to 2x, so therefore we're gonna change your expression that has the limit as y approaches 0 sine y divided by y times 2 over 5. Now we can use that one identity well. The limit as x approaches 0 of sine x divided by x is 1. So this expression in the blue is also equal to 1. So our final answer is 2 over 5. And then we have the example 2. The example 2 is limit sine x minus 2 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 4 of x approaches 4. And we can apportional that limit sine x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 squared of x approaches 4. Limit sine x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 multiplied x minus 2 of x approaches 4. And then we can change the limit 1 divided by x minus 2 of x approaches 4. The answer is 1 divided by 4 minus 2, and the final answer is 1 over 2 or 1 divided 2. Okay, that's all I can explain. Sorry if there are mistakes. And lastly, I'm just want to say thank you. And Om Santi 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 Om.